they're solution cavities for the most part. Same as how we'll show a little bit better when we get over to the other side of the arch. But this is a tail end of a meander. So what we have is a cut bank, what's known as a cut bank. So as this was forming, the flash floods would come down, it's pushing against this wall and depositing so much on the points here. We have these huge crashes, and that's what's giving us this meandering river. Yep. And on a lot of the stuff, it's following fault lines. You can see a big crack going through the wall just right there. Well, it goes all the way back there and helps form this line. So when the water first started, it's just getting into these fault lines and saying, all right, easiest path is to go whipping around the corner and straight down a fault, whip around another corner. Gee, why didn't we drive into there? Yeah, that's a nice camp. Rattlesnake hide. That white thing.